Hello Brewtubers, and welcome to this short little video. Today I've been experimenting with using my Brewtools B150 as a cask cleaner. So in my previous video I was showing you the CIP ball with the fermenters, and I thought, wonder if I could use that to clean my casks. Yes, I tried it out and here are the results. So here we have my first version of a cask cleaner using the Brewtools B150. Don't think I could clean a firkin, but certainly a pin is quite easy to clean. So I've got a solution of VWP and hot water. The sump pump is below the cask is on top of the sump pump, and I've got the CIP spray ball attached to the other end of the pump. So the keystone has been knocked out, so all we have to do really is stick that in there, turn on the power, and we'll start cleaning the cask out. So here we are cleaning the cask. The CIP spray ball is inside of the cask there, and it says the switch off. You can see the water draining out of the keystone hole there. So it's really a two-handed job. So the filming wasn't particularly good, but yes, I think it worked out pretty well. You know, gave the innards of that stainless steel pin a good soaking, and obviously it's free to drain out into the Brewtools as it was being cleaned. So that works well. Will I fit a firkin in? That seems less likely. You know, firkins are twice the size, so I might have to think about firkins. Might have to have some sort of stand for them to stand on. Yeah, have to have a bit of thought with firkins. And kegs, don't think kegs will be possible. Because obviously with a cask you've got the two openings, you know, one at the top and one on the side, so the water can drain out quite easily. With the kegs, you'll obviously want to feed the water from the bottom, so it drains out from the bottom. It's possible, but you'd have to make some sort of structure, I think. I have seen online keg cleaning ideas using fermentation buckets, sump pumps, and PCV tubing, that sort of thing. So that might be something I'll look at in future times. But yes, I think the cask though is very successful. You know, give it a damn good clean, and yes, all good. So yes, from a rather unshaven me and a rather bare-breasted fallen Madonna, thank you for watching, and I shall see you again soon. Ta-ra!